Imagine two entire galaxies, each with hundreds of billions of stars, swirling clouds of gas, dark matter halos, and maybe thousands of planets like our own, on a collision course across millions of light years of empty space. But what exactly happens when these immense structures finally meet? Do stars smash together, sending shockwaves across the cosmos? Or is the story stranger and more subtle than science fiction would suggest? To explore this, let's begin with a passage from ancient philosophy, a reflection on inevitable change and cosmic harmony. All things are in flux, and nothing stands still. Into the same rivers we step and do not step. We are and are not. This observation, drawn from the musings of early Greek thinkers, offers a surprisingly apt metaphor for galactic mergers. Nothing in the universe remains fixed. Even galaxies, once thought to be eternal islands, are constantly moving and evolving, dancing through space in slow-motion encounters that play out over billions of years. Let's break down exactly what's happening during one of these cosmic dances. First, when galaxies collide, they rarely do so head-on, and almost never in a dramatic explosion of fire and chaos. Instead, they pass through each other like two swarms of bees drifting together. The vast, empty spaces between stars mean that actual star-on-star collisions are almost impossibly rare. Imagine holding two handfuls of sand. Throw them at each other. The grains mostly fly past one another, hardly touching. That's a collision between galaxies, on the grandest imaginable scale. Yet, despite the lack of direct contact between stars, the effect on each galaxy's structure is nothing short of spectacular. Stars, gas, and dust are thrown into wild new orbits by the combined pull of gravity. Great streams and bridges of material can be pulled between galaxies, twisting and curling into shapes that resemble cosmic jellyfish or tidal tails stretching for thousands of light years. Sometimes gas clouds within these galaxies are squeezed together by tidal forces, compressing the raw material for new stars. In the aftermath of a merger, star formation can ignite suddenly and dramatically, resulting in brilliant bursts of new light as stars flash into being across regions that were once quiet and dim. This process is responsible for some of the universe's most beautiful and chaotic formations. Streams of blue-white young stars trace graceful arcs in space. The shapes of both parent galaxies are torn apart, sometimes forming spectacular rings, shells, or even strange double cores as new gravitational centers emerge. Let's pause and reflect on what this all means. The violence of a galactic merger isn't the quick, explosive kind we might expect, but a patient reshaping. Epochs of slow, mutual disturbance as cities of stars orbit and intermingle. The universe, rather than being a realm of constant destruction, is engaged instead in rearrangement. A cosmic remix with new patterns and new creations emerging from the old. Now, let's bring in words from a different tradition, inviting us to consider our own perspective in this grand encounter. We are a way for the universe to know itself. This poetic insight underscores the fact that galaxies are not just distant objects. We are inside one, embedded within this ancient dance. As our own Milky Way orbits and spins, its fate is already entwined with that of its nearest neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda are expected to merge in a similar, majestic ballet. Their stars, our sun among them, will likely survive the encounter, simply moving to new positions within the combined, shapeless aftermath. From a planetary surface, if life still gazes skyward, the night might fill with newly tangled star fields, richer and more complex than ever before. The imagination strains to picture such a night sky, but the feeling is both humbling and exhilarating. Far from being stable islands, the galaxies are works in progress, shifting and blending in the slow rhythm of the cosmos. Beyond the beauty and drama, galactic mergers play a crucial role in cosmic evolution. For one thing, mergers build bigger galaxies from smaller ones. Most massive galaxies today, including the Milky Way, are the products of countless smaller mergers, an ongoing process that continues even now, with faint streams of stars marking the ghosts of former galaxies absorbed over cosmic time. But these events also feed the supermassive black holes that lurk at the centers of galaxies. As gas and stars are funneled toward a galaxy's core during a collision, black holes can be fed with fresh matter, leading to spectacular outpourings of energy. Sometimes these black holes become intensely bright, visible across the universe as quasars, cosmic lighthouses shining from the hearts of merging galaxies. Here's a line from modern poetry that echoes this luminous transformation. Out of darkness, the fire is born anew, and what was shattered is gathered in light. In this sense, galactic mergers are not just endings, but beginnings. Seeds for new structures, bursts of creation, and even new types of galaxies. Elliptical galaxies, for example, are often the aged products of many ancient mergers, with their orderly structures evidence of the universe's tendency toward both chaos and eventual calm. Now, you might wonder, if these mergers are happening everywhere, all the time, what do they really look like? Astronomers have peered into deep space to find cosmic train wrecks in progress. Some galaxies show long sweeping tails, others odd rings of dust and stars, some double or triple cores. One famous example is a pair of galaxies in the constellation Corvus, locked together in a slow, luminous collision that will take hundreds of millions of years to complete. Such images remind us that cosmic scales dwarf our personal sense of time and change. Reflect for a moment. Our solar system itself may have journeyed through such drama in its ancient past. The calm night sky we take for granted is really a temporary lull, one chapter in a far larger story playing out across the universe. One last passage, drawn from ancient literature, brings the idea home. The wheel of heaven turns. Life is all change and motion. Just as rivers flow, galaxies too are in constant transformation. And with each merger, the universe stitches together new patterns, sometimes chaotic, sometimes unexpectedly harmonious. To sum up, consider 8 key facts about galactic mergers. First, the collision is more about gravity than direct impact. Stars rarely hit, but their positions are dramatically shifted. Second, these encounters ignite bursts of star formation, creating whole populations of new stars in the chaos. Third, galaxy shapes are transformed. Spirals become distorted, sometimes ultimately blending into more spherical forms. Fourth, streams and tails of stars and gas reveal the violent gravitational interplay, leaving visible scars in the aftermath. Fifth, mergers feed central black holes, sometimes triggering quasars and releasing tremendous energy detectable across the universe. Sixth, these grand collisions build up cosmic structure. Most large galaxies are the result of many smaller ancestors merging over time. Seventh, even our own Milky Way is fated to collide and merge with a neighbor, setting the stage for a whole new chapter in the story of our cosmic home. And eighth, though this process is ancient and distant, its echoes shape the night sky and the very existence of galaxy forms we see today. So, when you look up at the stars, remember, galaxies are not alone in their journey. Each one is shaped by collisions, encounters, and endless change. The universe is both old and restless, a place where even the grandest structures are in motion, always seeking new balance in the dance of gravity. Galactic mergers are a reminder that chaos and beauty often come together, and that every ending in the universe is also a beginning.